Hey, how's it going, everybody? I've got a new product to review today for you. This product was sent to me by Pocket Tripod Pro. Huge thank you to them for sending this out for review. Essentially, what this product is it's a portable tripod, perfect for on-the-go travel, and it can easily be stored in your wallet. Now, this will fit most wallet sizes. If you use a metal wallet or a money clip, it might not work as well, because even though it is made of carbon fiber and it's very durable, over time I imagine it could become more fragile. So what I recommend is just putting it in a basic wallet that's typically either a bifold or a trifold. So I would definitely recommend that over any other type of wallet. Now they have a couple different options on their website. You can either get the universal kit, which is the one they sent me. You can get the universal single size, which is just the Pocket Tripod Pro by itself. Or you can order any of the adapters separately. I found after using it for a few days that it mainly works with cell phones. So you can use any like smartphone, flip phone, anything of the sort. I've also tried it with my iPad Air 2, and it seems to work pretty well in landscape mode. I haven't quite tried it in portrait mode because I feel like it would be too top heavy. But because the adjustable arm in the middle, as you can see, you can adjust it accordingly to get that perfect viewing angle. Inside the kit comes with 8 different sizes, the one that's already on the tripod, as well as 7 adapters, and you also have 1 credit for any other size. So if you happen to get the wrong size in your order, or you need to order a replacement, they were nice enough to give you 1 free of charge. It features a carbon fiber base to increase the durability, so that way you can rest assured when it's in your pocket, it's not going to get as damaged as easily as if it were just, say, like a cheap plastic piece. So this is definitely a lot more heavy duty. And it's also universal, meaning it'll work with any phone, any smaller device you have. Now, I've only personally tested it, like I said, with my iPhone and also with my iPad Air 2. I haven't tested it with iPad Pro, but I believe because of the size and the weight of it, that would just topple over. Because as you can see, it's only maybe about a ½ inch tall, so it won't be enough structure to keep it stable. Now I'm going to open up the box and just show you all that this has to offer. So first inside, you get your little geometric fit card, so that way you can see exactly what attachment you need for whatever device you have. So you have your smaller attachments up top, and then you have your larger as you go around to the side. And you can also tag them in your own unboxing story on Instagram at Pocket Tripod. So it says, we know you'll be telling your friends about your Pocket Tripod Pro. Why not get paid too? So you can even scan this QR code to get a referral link. And then you can start earning money by selling their product through your own personal link. Okay, you have an angle indicator to show you at what degrees you're displaying your device, as well as soft contacts. That way it won't damage the device in any way with no scratching or getting scuffed up at all. It features a carbon fiber rigid skeleton, and it's also interchangeable, so you can easily swap out the adapters, whether you have a smaller or a larger device. Now taking a look on the inside, you have your different size adapters. I believe these are measured in millimeters. So you have 7.5 all the way up to 12.5. So next we're going to be taking a look at the device itself. As you can see with the different size adapters, you have this nice rubber grip on the inside to properly secure your phone or your tablet if you were to use one of those. You have the geometrical logo on the top and the bottom, as well as a pocket tripod in the middle. Now, after using this a few days, I've learned that this middle piece is supposed to stay stationary. So whatever you do, don't try to like bend that up or down. It's going to be the angles of the sides themselves. So as you can see, you can just flip it up and down like that. And then once you have it properly set, then you just want to flip the wings up to the side. And then you can go ahead and place your device inside. So now I noticed if you have it facing towards you, you want to have the arm to tilt it backwards. So this way it can capture a nice wide angle view of whatever you're trying to capture. And also, like I said before, if you're going to watch like a video or something like that, this would be the perfect angle. Now, I will say it is something that it will take a couple days to get used to, because when you first get the device, it's going to be a little stiff rotating, but after you work it in for a couple days, then you have a nice smooth tilting. So that way you'll be able to capture any picture or video anytime, every time. And that was my quick look at the Pocket Tripod Pro. Once again, huge shout out to him for sending this out for review. Overall experience, I definitely like the device. I just wish that not necessarily the width of the hole that you put your device in, but maybe a little bit taller so that way it could encompass it more if you want to get better angles. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this device for if you're on the go and you happen to forget your tripod at home. This is a nice little substitute. Now if you guys want to pick one of these up, I'll leave a link in the description down below. The kit that they gave me currently retails for $45 on their website, which in my opinion is a great deal because not only do you get the Tripod Pro itself, but you also get all the adapters and the attachments. So definitely worth the investment. Now if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more future videos like this. And as always, thanks so much for watching guys. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.